Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, mud guards, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.